Welcome back to Automotive World. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most powerful and advanced bulldozers in the industry, the 2025 Caterpillar D10 Dozer. If you're into heavy machinery, construction, or just love powerful machines, stay tuned because this beast is something you don't want to miss. The Caterpillar D10 has long been known for its brute strength, durability, and efficiency on job sites worldwide. The 2025 model takes things to an entirely new level with upgraded power, cutting-edge technology, and improved fuel efficiency. This dozer is designed to handle the toughest terrains with ease, making it a favorite for mining, construction, and large-scale earthmoving projects. Under the hood, the 2025 Caterpillar D10 is powered by a high-performance, low-emission diesel engine. With a massive displacement and optimized turbocharging, this engine is built to deliver exceptional power while maintaining fuel efficiency. Caterpillar has focused on reducing emissions, ensuring that this dozer meets the latest environmental standards without compromising performance. One of the key highlights of the D10 is its advanced powertrain. The electronically controlled transmission ensures seamless shifting, maximizing torque and power delivery. This means operators get better control and smoother operation, even in the most challenging conditions. Caterpillar has also introduced an improved cooling system to keep the engine running at optimal temperatures, further enhancing durability. The 2025 model comes with a reinforced undercarriage, designed to withstand heavy loads and extreme working conditions. The track system has been enhanced for better traction, ensuring stability even on loose or uneven terrain. The blade and ripper attachments have also been upgraded, offering more precision and efficiency in cutting through tough materials. Technology plays a huge role in the 2025 Caterpillar D10. This dozer is equipped with an advanced telematics system, allowing operators and site managers to monitor performance, fuel consumption, and maintenance schedules in real time. The integration of GPS and automation features enhances grading accuracy, reducing manual effort and increasing productivity. Inside the cabin, comfort and functionality go hand in hand. The operator's seat is fully adjustable with ergonomic controls designed for ease of use. A high-resolution touchscreen display provides vital information, and the improved visibility ensures safer operation. Noise and vibration levels have also been reduced, making long working hours less tiring for operators. Safety is a top priority, and Caterpillar has introduced several features to enhance protection. The 2025 D10 includes an advanced collision avoidance system, automatic braking, and enhanced lighting for night operations. The structure itself is reinforced to provide maximum protection in case of rollovers or impacts. Fuel efficiency has been a major focus for Caterpillar, and the new D10 does not disappoint. The engine's advanced fuel management system ensures optimal combustion, reducing fuel consumption without sacrificing power. This not only lowers operational costs but also minimizes the environmental impact. Maintenance is made easier with the 2025 model. Quick access service points, remote diagnostics, and predictive maintenance alerts help reduce downtime, ensuring the machine stays operational for longer periods. Caterpillar has also extended the service intervals, meaning fewer maintenance stops and more productivity on the field. When it comes to performance, the 2025 D10 is simply unmatched. Whether it's moving massive amounts of earth, clearing obstacles, or working in mining operations, this dozer is built to handle it all. The combination of power, efficiency, and smart technology makes it one of the most capable bulldozers in its class. Now, let's talk about pricing. The 2025 Caterpillar D10 is expected to come with a starting price of around $2.2 million, depending on the configuration and additional features. This investment ensures that you're getting a state-of-the-art machine with top-tier capabilities. For businesses in construction and mining, this dozer is a game-changer, offering long-term value and reliability. That wraps up our deep dive into the 2025 Caterpillar D10 Dozer. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Automotive World for more updates on the latest heavy machinery and vehicles. Let us know in the comments what you think about this powerhouse and what machines you'd like us to cover next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.